how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day today. Today we will be making a bear, a baby bear, standing up. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is make an upside down C. Just like that. Make sure it's not closed at the bottom. Now we're going to go back up on the side, the top side of the C, and we're going to make some more C's. These are his ears. And remember, the C's are kind of like upside down. Inside those C's, we are going to make more C's, and they're going to be small. Now, we're going to close up the bottom of your C, and we're going to work on the face here. So for your bear, towards the lower part of your bear's face, you're going to make an oval. This is going to be his nose and his mouth area. Inside this area, you're going to make an oval for his nose, kind of at the top of this larger oval, and you'll want to color it in and make sure that you leave a little shine mark at the top. That's where the light is hitting his nose. And then you can make a little smile for a happy bear. Let's make some wide set eyes and some little dots for his cheek area. Now we're going to go down to his body. So for this bear, he is a cartoon bear. So you're going to come down, soft corners, soft edges, and come back up. On the inside of these, starting right here at the corner, you're going to make his little hands and paws like this. Down here at the bottom, you can make his legs, so straight lines down, curved over, and come up. Straight line, and come up. Then we are going to make a little tail coming out from either the right-hand side or the left-hand side. It's up to you. And there's your bear. You know what would be nice if you want this to be a little outfit on your bear? You can decorate it. If it's a girl bear, maybe you could put a bow up in her hair on the top of her head and her fur. And you can maybe put some little hearts here. Or if it's a boy bear, you can put some stripes or checks or whatever you like. That would be a great idea too. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.